the Great Crested Grebe. Found in Europe, Asia, Africa, and Australia, mate. Eats crustaceans and insects, fish, and small frogs. They make a nest out of vegetation which floats on top of the water, and they typically lay 2 eggs. The Great Crested Grebe almost became extinct in the United Kingdom because their feathers, the beautiful feathers, were popular on hats and clothing. But a ban was put into place, and the population has since recovered. It is also the largest grebe species found in the Old World.